It only takes a minute, just 1 minute for you to help your student improve their reading comprehension. I'm going to teach you this simple trick that you can do while you're driving in the car or you're preparing dinner that can help you help your student improve their reading comprehension. When your student is reading, whatever they're reading, do not wait until the end of the page or chapter. Instead, what I want you to do is be actively listening and then stop them. If you're sitting by side, you can go ahead and stop them at the end of each paragraph. I know this is often difficult if you're cooking or driving, you can't do this, but if you can, that's ideal. But if you can't, just kind of listen to them and then stop them incrementally or whenever you think something big or noteworthy has happened in the text, and ask them to summarize what they just read in one sentence. Or you could ask them a pertinent question about what has just happened in the text. So for example, you might ask them, what was that about? Or why did the main character do that? Or why do you think the main character left the room? You want to ask questions that are going to force them to give the answer to activate their brain and help with that reading comprehension and keep them connected with the text. This simple habit is going to help train your student's brain to slow down and understand and not just be a fast reader that can call off words. It just takes a minute, but it is going to help build strong comprehension and a confident reader and a connection with you and your student. This simple daily habit is going to help create a strong reader and make your student more confident, as well as, like I said, build connections. You can start to select text together, or you can just support them with what they're reading at school. This is actually my favorite strategy of all of the reading strategies that I do. And even as a teacher in classes of 30 kids, I think I got the most out of hearing kids read to me, even if it was just a couple of sentences, and asking them to verbally summarize. I could target right on where their reading comprehension was. So if you want more tips and tricks like this from an old retired teacher, hit all of my buttons. Give me a follow. I'm building Middle School Made Easy to help parents with their students' literacy and writing, and for simple tips, because friends, my teacher friends back in the ranks are struggling, and all I hear about is how many grade levels kids are behind in their reading and writing. And I'm like, I could do something. So hit all of those things, follow me here, and do all of the things. And let me know down in the comments what your student is struggling with, and I will try to support them.